Hey fans, Autistic Explorer here. So this is where we are. We're at 74th Street Broadway. We gotta take it a couple stops downtown. So let's look for the downtown train. So far I think we're heading from, let me see. We don't want to take it to Flushing. We don't want to take it towards Flushing. We're going too far up. We want to take it towards we want to take it towards 34th Street. So number 1. Right? Manhattan would be 34th Street, I think. I had to make sure I was going in the right direction. Okay, it's in platform 1. Does it really matter though? Because they both say 34th Street. I guess it doesn't matter. All right, so we got to take it towards Hudson Yard, 34th Street, Manhattan. We got to take it two stops. And then we'll be in Woodside.
There is a Manhattan-bound Local 7 train to 34th Street, Hudson Yards, approaching the station on the platform edge.
And here it comes.
Ninth is next, 7 to 34 Hudson. Fans, thank you for the closing door.
Here we go. One more stop.
The next stop is Woodside, 61st Street.
Did you hear that? Woodside.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
And then once we explore that a little bit, I'm going to sit down and eat something, if you guys don't mind. Here we go. Here we go.
LaGuardia Link Q7 is the light bus service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53
Oh, this goes to LaGuardia Airport.
Long Island's railroad. This is
Not for
an
me.
accessible station. The elevator is at
Let's
the
go.
rear of the platform.
Your safety is important to us. Please stand away from the platform edge, especially when trains are entering the station.
Excuse me, please. Okay. Exit. Okay, we gotta exit here. Okay. Let's take the elevator down. It's easier. Check the battery on this thing. Fans, my battery is at 6%. I might have to use my other device in a short while once we get down there. So, should probably let it charge a little bit more before I do that. I see the elevator coming up. Here we go. Come on, man. Are you serious right now? Is this a joke? Taking too long. Oh, sorry about that. All right, fellas, we're in Woodside, Queens. Let's go exploring, shall we? If you notice, the cool thing, you got the subway right up above your head. It's loud when you're walking around this area, but that's all right. I can handle it. When I was a kid, I couldn't. I can now. Hey, yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, man. All right. Break time. We're in Woodside, so this is all Woodside, Queens right here. These are places you can sit at. We're actually closer to Manhattan, believe it or not. Yeah, see? Those buildings, you get past those buildings, that's where that leads you to Manhattan and Brooklyn. Wouldn't it be nice to live here and watch this at night? I think it would be. It's actually a much nicer area because Jamaica can be a little crazy at night. If we were still there right now, yeah, there'd be some drug addicts over there. But the thing is, I don't worry about it. I worry about myself. And once I do that, I'm fine. Whoa. What do we got here? Sorry about that. I've been doing this since I'm a kid, so don't mind me. Now, I don't know if you noticed, Woodside, Queens is, believe it or not, to be where the disabled community is in the city. You know what I'm saying? And look at me. I have a disability. That's why they call me the Autistic Explorer. Sorry. Sorry about that. People around me are probably thinking I'm weird, but they don't know that I'm putting on a YouTube video, so I don't care. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm not doing this for them. I'm doing this for you. However, the autistic and, well, just say the disabled community are out here, so I'm doing it for them too at the same time. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, the disabled community, very few disabled people live out that way, but Woodside, yeah, there's some disabled people living out here. And I'm putting on this YouTube video for them. So right now, this isn't, even though I'm a disabled person, this isn't really about myself. This is about the rest of you people out here who are disabled, or out there too, wherever you are. You know, wherever you're living. So, I'm not making this about myself. I'm just doing, hold on. Thank you. Loud up there. I'm just doing this for the rest of us disabled people. I'm just doing this. I'm just doing what's important to me to give what's important to you guys. And it's called hope. And And I got something else I want to share with you later on after I'm done exploring all this with you guys. With you all, not just guys. Guys and girls who are autistic and, of course, just disabled, if you want to say. It's a truck. So, one more scoop. And I'm gonna... Let me see. How many percentage do I have here? Uh-oh. Shit. 2%. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I have to pull out my other device. Let me see how many percentage it has now. What? 50? That's it? Is this thing even... Oh, yeah. It's got 3 dots left. Alright. It's charging. Leave it alone. In fact, I should probably turn it off for now. Or, you know what? No, because this is going to go in like about one more percentage. I don't even have an extra charger for this one. Alright. Stewart's. Some prepared soldier I am. Because he wanted to go into the army. The army. That's why he did. They wouldn't let him. See? They wouldn't accept that because he was fucked. Yeah. Oh fuck! Damn it! I almost dropped the bottle on the floor. It would have been in pieces. Please, don't make me laugh because otherwise you'll cause me to do that. All right, let's go. That guy almost backed into that cone. Oh my god. Anyway, come on. Who cares? Let's just do this. We don't have a lot of time left. It's actually fun exploring this at night. I'm on the New York City bus in Queens. Fellas, I'd say we take the buses, but here's the thing. I like to walk. I get my exercise better that way. All right, we got to stop here. Thing's telling us to stop. We got to stop at the stop signal. I might have to get a charger for this phone too. This device I'm using. I'll just have to find a place. Miss.